Unlock exclusive savings on every Target run directly from your phone with this quick guide to using your team member discount on the Target app. First, open your Target app and navigate to your account settings. You'll typically find this by tapping the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Within your account settings, look for an option related to employee discount or team member benefits. Tap on this to access the discount application area. Here, you'll need to input your valid Target team member ID number or any specific discount code provided to you by Target. Make sure you have this information readily available before you start. After successfully entering your information, you should see a confirmation that your team member discount has been successfully applied to your account. This might appear as a visible status or a confirmation message. Now, when you browse and add items to your cart, you'll see the team member discount automatically applied to eligible purchases. The discounted price will be clearly displayed, so you know exactly how much you're saving. Before finalizing your purchase, always double-check the checkout screen to confirm that your team member discount has been correctly deducted from your subtotal. This ensures you're getting the full benefit of your employee savings. Shopping smarter is easy when you know how to leverage your team member discount on the Target app. Enjoy your savings on your next Target haul. #Target Employee #Discount Guide.